Hello and welcome to Xperts Tech. In this video we will talk about how to backup DNS Windows Server 2022. Domain name system, server or DNS is the heart of each thing we do, on the internet and on the LAN. It is the directory book that changes names to IP addresses so we don't have to remember the figures that represent websites, host names, and other resources. DNS is commonly considered an important infrastructure component. When a disaster happened with a DNS server, we need to restore the DNS zone to its earlier state as soon as possible. In this article, we have two options for achieving this operation. The initial option in ADDS is authoritative restore. A reliable restore of an active directory would take complex time-consuming and also demands the use of backups and restart of DCs. The second one is to use the dnscmd.x using the PowerShell command to backup the zones to a text file, which is obtainable for Windows servers. The dnscmd restore takes some minutes to restore a zone. We can apply to both forward, reverse lookup zones, either text-based or Active Directory integrated. Backup DNS Windows Server 2022 Article Scenario Backup DNS Zones via dnscmd PowerShell command. Second, we will delete Xperts local DNS zones from a server for creating the disaster. Last, we restore Xperts local zone from a file, the one we created with the dnscmd command. How to take a DNS backup Xperts local zone to a text file using dnscmd PowerShell. Log in to the domain controller, run Windows PowerShell and then type the following commands to backup DNS zones. dnscmd ws2022 d.c zone export Xperts local backup Xperts local.dns.bkp dnscmd ws2022 d.c zone export _msdcs Xperts local backup _msdcs Xperts local.dns.bkp where ws2022 dc is the DNS server name. The DNS backup copy, a text file, will be saved to the backup directory. See Windows System 32 DNS Backup, launch Windows Explorer and then go to the C Windows System 32 DNS Backup directory to verify its contents. How to delete DNS zones from Dns Manager. Launch Dns Manager, expand the DNS server ws2022dc node and then expand forward lookup zones. Right-click on Xperts local zone and then select Delete. DNS Manager. Click Yes and Yes again. Delete the zone from Active Directory and DNS Server. How to restore the domain DNS zone. Open DNS Manager and expand the DNS server. Right-click on Forward Lookup Zone and then click on New Zone. Welcome to the New Zone wizard. Click Next. Zone Type window, choose Primary Zone and then deselect the Store the zone in Active Directory. Click Next. Zone Name window, enter the name of the zone being restored, Xperts local and then click Next. Choose the option Use this existing file radio button and then click Next. Please make sure the current backup of the Xperts local is available in the following directory, see Windows System 32 DNS Backup. Copy the Xperts local.dns.bkp file to the backup directory. Paste it into the following directory, see Windows System 32 DNS. Right-click on Xperts local.dns.bkp and then select Rename. Remove the .bkp extension, press Enter, and click Yes. Go back to the Zone File Wizard, and then click Next. Dynamic Update Wizard window, choose to allow both non-secure and secure dynamic updates, and then click Next. Click Finish. Forward Lookup Zone Xperts local has been created successfully. Right-click on Xperts local zone and then select Properties. Click on the Change button next to the primary field. Change the zone type window. Make sure the primary zone is selected. Select the option Store the zone in Active Directory and then click OK. Click Yes to accept the change. On the Xperts local zone properties window, choose Secure Only at Dynamic Updates field and click OK. Finally, we have our DNS zone up and running. Summary: by using the above steps, you can backup and restore the copies of the DNS zones in a way that allows high availability for your DNS for more data.